guys, this is Isha at Weighted Drinks, and today I have taken a shot at the Strawberry Peach Gin Mule, and it seems wonderful. It's Strawberry Peach Ginger Gin Mule, and I have some live audience today. So all my recipes that I've been trying thus far, I've tasted it myself, and so has my husband. But I have some company today, and they're going to taste this drink and let us know how it feels. Let's go. Hi guys, so this is my cousin. He's here from Pennsylvania.
Hi.
Hi. And this is my aunt. She's come here from Bangalore.
Hi.
Hi. So this is a special gin that they have bought for us. It's called this Blue Code Dry Gin, and this gin has like a real spark to it. And my cousin is a big gin enthusiast, and this is a drink that I have tried for him. What do you think about the drink, all in all?
So I think the drink is skinny, it's less sweet, and the best part is I can feel the gin in the drink when I drink it.
So
it's
the gin does shine out, is what you're saying?
Yeah, it does shine out, yes.
Yes, and among the fruity flavors, but it's not too fruity.
It's not too fruity, it's not overpowering the gin flavor.
Exactly. What about you?
I also like it very much.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying.
And do you feel it's well balanced and not too
Very,
sweet?
very
Or did you like it that I topped it off with soda, or you could have skipped the soda? Skip the soda? Okay, that's perfect. Sounds good. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.